2026 question. The number of solutions of the equation cos 2 theta into cos theta by 2 plus cos 5 theta by 2 equal to 2 cos cube 5 theta by 2 in the interval closed interval is minus 5 by 2 to plus 5 by 2 will be 6, 7, 4 or 2. What is the correct answer? You have to find. I have rewritten the given expression cos 2 theta into cos theta by 2 plus cos 5 theta by 2 equal to 2 cos cube 5 theta by 2. Now cos 5 theta by 2 and here cos 5 theta by 2. So we will make it like terms together here. In terms of name, cos 5 theta by 2 is the same name. Okay. Though their power is different, but the angle is the same for that reason. Therefore, cos 2 theta into cos theta by 2 will be equal to 2 cos cube 5 theta by 2 minus cos 5 theta by 2. We take cos 5 theta by 2 common. Therefore, we get 2 cos square 5 theta by 2 minus 1. This can be cos 5 theta by 2. You know the formula. Which formula you know? That 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta. This formula you know. So we will apply it. Here we will write cos of 2 into 5 theta by 2. There is nothing new in this. These 2 will cancel. So we will get cos 5 theta by 2 into cos 5 theta. Therefore, now we will make it together again. Cos 2 theta into cos theta by 2 is equal to cos 5 theta by 2 into cos 5 theta. Okay. Now we will just multiply it by both sides by 2. Why? Because we will use another formula. Which formula? This is since. One more formula you know, 2 cos A cos B gives you cos of A plus B and plus cos of A minus B. This formula you know, so we will use that formula. This will give you cos of A plus B means 2 theta plus theta by 2 plus cos of A minus B means 2 theta minus theta by 2 and is equal to on the right side cos of 5 theta plus 5 theta by 2 plus 5 theta by 2 and plus cos of 5 theta minus 5 theta by 2. Isn't it? Simplify it. So left side cos of 5 theta by 2 plus cos of 3 theta by 2 is equal. This will give you right side cos of 15 theta by 2. This will give you cos of 5 theta by 2. Because 2 5s are 10 minus 5. Here 2 5s are 10 plus 5 15. Here 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 theta by 2. And here 2 to the 4 minus 1 3 theta by 2. So this way. And in this way we are getting like terms with same sign on the both sides, so cancelled. So you are left with this implies cos 3 theta by 2 is equal to cos 15 theta by 2. Now we will do, we will bring all the terms together. 3 theta by 2 minus cos 15 theta by 2 equal to 0. Now one more formula you know. That formula I will write with another color. Cos C minus cos D is equal to cos of sorry 2 sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of D minus C by 2. This formula also you know. Okay. So we will apply this. In case of minus cos C minus cos D gives 2 sin C plus D by 2 and sin D minus C by 2. So let us apply this formula. Then we will get 2 sin C plus D by 2 means 3 theta by 2 plus 15 theta by 2 whole divided by sin D minus C by 2 means 15 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2 is equal to 0. So this will give you 2 sin, if you calculate 15 plus 3 18, 18 theta 2 9 ja, so 9 theta by 2. Here you will get 15 minus 3 12 2 6 ja, so 6 theta by 2 equal to 0. This will be also cancelled. So we can write like 2 sin 9 theta by 2 into sin 3 theta equal to 0, which can be written as 2 will go to the right side 0.2. So sin 9 theta by 2 into sin 3 theta equal to 0. This way you are getting two values, because this expression will be 0 if either sin 9 theta by 2 is 0 or sin 3 theta is 0. So two cases, we will discuss one case one by one. So case 1, which is the case 1, sin 9 theta by 2 equal to 0, and let it be sine of 0 degree, because 0 is sine 0 degree. So you know the general formula that therefore 9 theta by 2 will be in general n pi plus minus 1 power n into this alpha, you know that formula. Here alpha is how much? Our case alpha is 0, n pi plus minus 1 power n into 0 degree. So finally you will get n pi only, means 9 theta by 2 is equal to n pi. Now we will consider those values only which will lie in minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2 interval. That you know our interval of theta is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 in the question. Okay, since therefore n equal to 0, then theta will be 0 into pi, so from here only theta you find out. Theta will be 2n pi by 9. So theta will be 2 into 0 into pi upon 9, so 0 degree. If n is equal to 1, then what happens? Theta will be 2 pi by 9. If n is equal to minus 1, then theta will be minus 2 pi by 9. If n is equal to 2, theta will be 4 pi by 9. And if n is equal to minus 2, theta will be minus 4 pi by 9. Now if n is equal to 3, then you will get 3 pi by 9. 3 into 2 pi by 9 means, in rough you can check that 2 into 3 pi by 9. So 3 3s are, and this will give you 3 180 and 60 degree. So 120 degree you are getting. We want up to 90 only over from this. Okay, so 3 and minus 3 onwards we will not take the values, so we will stop here in case 1. Now consider the case 2. Case 2. Case 2. Case 2 is sin 3 theta equal to 0. That means sin 0 degree, and this will give you the general solution as n pi plus again minus 1 power n alpha, where our alpha in this case is 0 degree. So this is also n pi, but this is the value of 3 theta, so theta is n pi by 3. Again start from 0, n equal to 0, so theta will be 0. N equal to 1, so theta will be pi by 3, that is 60. N equal to 2 if you take, so it will give you 2 pi by 3, so it will give you 120 degrees, so we will not take. So we will consider n equal to minus 1, and minus 1 give you theta equal to minus pi by 3, that is minus 60 degree. So these are the permissible values in which 0 is coming as common in both the cases. So we will take one time and then we will count the whole solution as how much is the our solution is. Our solution is this one, 1, this is 2, this is 3, from here 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is already we have considered over here, so 1 time 7 solutions are there. Okay, so all together we have 7 solutions. So 7 solutions possible in this interval pi by 2 and pi by minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. So let us see which option. It was option B. Option B is correct. You can check it, and then I will say thank you for listening.